hold on. If you're thinking about creating an account with Deriv broker, then stop. Watch this video right now before you go ahead and create that account today. Now let me explain further. There is one particular problem that most people face when it comes to trading and when it comes to dealing with brokers, and that is verifying the proof of address. Now with Deriv, there is a way more easier way to verify your proof of address now. It's a new feature they are rolling out, currently available in Ghana. I think it will be available for other countries as well. Now, this is it. There are a few things you need to do before you get access to this and verify your account without any stress. So pay close attention to whatever I am going to say from here. Good. So when you are creating your Deriv account, just create the normal account. Do not, listen, do not go and create the MT5 account. All right, make sure you have your proof of address verified before you create the MT5 account after opening the general Deriv account. What happens is that when you just open your general Deriv account, you have access to this feature that allows you to just enable the location on your device, and your proof of address will be verified automatically. You don't need to upload any document whatsoever. You don't need that. You just have to turn on your location on your phone, then go to the Deriv proof of address verification section, then tap on enable. You'll see an option over there to just tap on enable. Once you tap on that, your proof of address will be verified automatically using the GPS system, and that is by far one of the easiest, the safest way to verify your proof of address right now. I mean, it's very, very simple, and Deriv is leading with this. Like, it's very, very convenient. Yes. So before you create your accounts, make sure you do this. Just create a normal Deriv account. Don't go ahead and open any MT5 accounts, be it standard, gold, or so ever. Don't open that. Make sure you have your proof of address verified using the GPS option before you go ahead to create the standard account or the MT5 account and deposit money into it to start trading. I hope that is clear. But then if you need any further assistance, don't forget, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you out. I'm here for you. Anything at all that you need about Deriv broker, just let me know and I'll take you through. It's as simple as that. I'll see you in the next video.